Okay, here we are in my old version of Matter Control. I'm going to go ahead and add this new part. You know, this is pretty complex. That's why I wanted to render it at a slightly lower resolution, because I'll probably actually end up splitting the model up into separate print pieces and not try to print it all at once, because sometimes I think it can overload it. So, you know, I try to print fewer parts than that, particularly with these higher resolutions. Bring up our STL here, and I'm sure this will have quite a connection fit with it. Change the scale to account for millimeters to inch conversion. Wow. That's surprising. Huh. Didn't expect to get those results. Let me go back to Rhino. Yeah, because it has an 8x10 print area, and that's what I drew, is an 8x10 square. That's surprising. Okay, that's a little better, I guess. Select off the grid, so let me go try to tighten this up a little bit. This and add this. Still barely fits. I think it's because it's rotated wrong. Yeah, that's what's going on. It's rotated wrong. Let's see. Yeah, it's much better. Okay. Now, Hit save. This isn't the actual computer I have hooked to my 3D printer. It's got an older copy of this on it, but still it's pretty accurate to use for tests. Gives you an idea of print time and if there's going to be any imperfections in it or anything to some extent. Okay. There you go. Wow, 10 hours. Yeah, I'll definitely want to split this up. A couple different prints, so about 11 hours really. Of 130 grams of filament. That's with infill. Okay. Almost wonder if I shouldn't print the part of this in black and part of it in white. See, white's a better, though, for an emergency candle like this. Is still a better color than black, just because you want it to be visible at all times and as reflective as possible. So it's it's better to have it white. May not be as stylish, but it's better to have it white. I haven't actually printed anything in black yet. I got some black, but I just haven't broken it open and tried it out yet. Still always afraid to try new filaments because even different colors sometimes can, from what I hear, cause you printer problems, even if they're from the same manufacturer. But again, I still have not actually chewed on this thing yet. To see if if maybe I should see if maybe I should I mean, if there's anything else to do. I mean, I don't know if there's if this is completely complete or not yet. As you can see in Rhino 3, there are these imperfections in it, in the print. You can see the little nicks, like right here, and so forth, and those will actually come out in the print. That's why it's better to go to another program. See the little indent there. It doesn't generate a perfect STL file, so that's why I usually do it in a different program. These little line things will show up. You see this little band of vertical lines that looks like a rough spot, and then it looks like it smooths out here and here. That'll actually show up in the print too. But again, this program, was put out there before STLs were really, important formats. Anyway, so that looks pretty cool. So, anyway, that'll be about almost 11 hours. So, anyway, if there's anything more that I'm going to change on this, I'll add another video about this. Otherwise, that's it for the plastics design, and I got to deal with the circuit board stuff next. So, actually, showing you how I do that. So anyway, hasta la vista, baby.